Good morning, guys. It is Jonathan with One Big Impact. This video today is how to create knockout text or punch out text, whichever way you are searching it, in Singmaster Cut. This is just the normal version, not the pro version, not a vectorizing version, not a version that you can do very much with, but this is kind of like a workaround that I figured out. So first, you have to create your logo. So I'll just create something really quick. This is not going to be perfect by any means. This is going to be similar to my actual logo. If you want to go forward and you don't want to sit here and watch this, that's fine. But I'm just showing you from kind of like start to finish. This is not going to be, I'm not going to worry too much about the placement of these. But next I gotta put the text on here real quick. And then we go Times New Roman. Okay. Now we're gonna make this a little bit bigger. Make sure you ask if you have questions. The next thing that you're going to do is the outline tool. Go to white. Increase that. I mean, don't go crazy, but it kind of depends on how big of a punch out you want, I guess. So accept. So that, if you can see, I guess I don't want to make it too, you see how it kind of gives it that punch out effect? But the problem with that is, if you look at it wireframe, it's not going to cut it like that. It's going to be all effed up. Okay, so we'll go back to the regular view. So the next thing that you're going to do is select everything, and then you're going to do File, Export, and then just name it whatever. I don't mess with any of the settings. And then I'm saved, and then I'm going to go over to the internet, and I have a little bookmark saved. This is like online vectorization. It's like the only, well, I mean, I'm sure there's other ones, but this is the one I found that works. So okay, so I got it loaded in there. Choose it as a file. I don't mess with any of the settings. By the way, when I export it from that first export that I did to be able to save it to my computer, I changed it to JPG. You may have not seen that, but go ahead and do that. And then start, and just wait for it to process. And then it processes. And then right below it, the reason you're doing this is because you're making it a cuttable image. Right below it, where it says this SVG or whatever, go ahead and download it. It downloads it. I'm going to minimize this screen. I'm going to open this one and then minimize it. I'm going to move this image out of the way. I'm going to bring this image into the box. Let it go. Now I'm going to expand this again. And now, in theory, get this one out of here. Ah, how did I do that? In theory, Sorry, my mouse is acting up. It's taking forever. I apologize. This can be brought down to size, and I actually am needing a bunch of these, so this works out good. And view in wireframe, and voila. So if you look really close, let's see. Come on, you stupid mouse. If somebody wants to send me a mouse, please feel free. If you see this, how if you were to cut this, it would look totally jacked up. It would be like over, and I'm not saying it wouldn't work. I'm sure you could figure out how to get it to work. But can you imagine weeding that? It would be just a nightmare. But this, it's beautiful. Like it's cut out or whatever, no problem. Another little trick is, I don't know if a lot of people know this or not. If you're new to Singmaster, you might not. Where is it? View? Layout? Where is it? I don't know where it is. Okay. It disappeared on me. Ah, there it is. So you take it out of this. Take it out of this, and then we'll say objects, add a weed box. So that little blue box creates a, like when this image cuts out, if you view it again in wireframe, it'll give me a little weeding box around it, so you don't have to like cut out and waste your vinyl and stuff like that. So it's like a perfect little box around it. So I hope that information helped you. Sorry that was a long video. I did my best to try to minimize it. I did make the video 3 times. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have questions about other stuff, hopefully I figured it out by now, and just put them in the comment section below, and then when I figure them out, I'll post them and I'll tag you. Alright, thanks guys.